Every morning, my faithful dog, Kota, takes me out for a walk. I think he knows I need it. Leading me up the mountain. If you like to wake up early, or to witness the sunrise, or to hear the morning birds, you'd understand. Although I'm the only one hiking up my side of the mountain, Kota and I aren't really alone. This is how I start my day. By saying, Uy Skweyul to the sun. By saying, Uy Skweyul to the Creator. Uy Skweyul. It is a special time. A sacred time. But this morning, I noticed that the sun was peeking out from behind the clouds. I figured the sun would soon melt the clouds away. I figured wrong. The clouds closed in on the sun. Darkness crept in from the west. It was as if the day had ended before it even really begun. Where's the sun? When will the sun come back? Is it going to rain? I almost felt like shouting to the clouds. Excuse me, I have an appointment. You're interrupting my sacred time. Only a cold wind blew in response. I thought of how it mirrored our times now. We expected to carry on with our summer, our schedules, our normal everyday lives. Our questions reflect the uncertainty of the times. When will this be over? When can I go back to school or work? How am I going to provide? Will I get sick? When will the sun come back? We want to know. We like certainty. I wish I could give an answer to these stressing questions. I ask for you to release your inner warrior, not with anger, spears, and torches, but rather to be a warrior in mind and spirit. Dr. Dina Hinshaw, Alberta's chief medical officer, said this: "We are all in this together, and now, more than ever, kindness matters." Where frustration teases you, counter it with patience. When your anxiety rises within you, counter it with knowledge. Where boredom tires you, counter it with innovation. When help is needed, counter it with kindness. When trouble arises, reach out to a loved one or friend. When heaviness sinks you, counter it with laughter. When fear strikes you, counter it with love. Through this. If you are Indigenous, then you know your history. We have been here before. We have suffered disease before. And come to think of it, social distancing before as well. We have been standing here for about 5,000 years. We will stand here for another 5,000. Come to think of it, every cultural group in the world, whether you are proudly Scottish, German, Korean, Maori, Mayan, Ukrainian, or of any other culture, and of every philosophy, worldview, or faith or denomination in the world, we have all suffered hardships before, and we have all survived to tell our story. Chief John Ross, who was Cherokee and lived from 1790 to 1866, said this: "Stand fast and remain united, and all will soon be well." We will survive again. We will not accept the dark clouds of uncertainty. We hold fast to hope. We know the sun will return. At Indigenous Education and School District 64, we will return. We will be here and welcome you back with open arms. We will be triumphant. We will rejoice. There is hope. Tomorrow is a new day.